Hey everyone, thanks for stopping by and seeing what I'm up to. My name is Silkyfeather, and you can call me Silky. I want to talk to you about hand sanitizer. And this is the most safest hand sanitizer out today. And it's a DIY sanitizer. You need 70% or higher rubbing alcohol. This is 91%. And you need to get yourself a bottle of Johnson's & Johnson's. This is their aloe and vitamin E oil gel. Keywords: oil gel. 25% of whatever container. So, this is a soda bottle. If I was going to do 25%, I'd probably fill it to about here, and that's probably under 25%, and the rest rubbing alcohol. Now, I did it last time. I mixed them. I'm not going to mix them because if the measurements is 25% of this. And when you have it in, this is paint, but, I mixed them actually. These are frosting bottles you can get for chocolate at Dollar General. And it's four for like $1.50, I do believe. Anyway, or it's two for $1.50. The cap screws on. And the best part about using this is it settles. And if you have been using sanitizers lately, they dry out your hands like super, super bad. So what you need to do, if your hands are really dry, shake your bottle up really, really good. And then it disperses the oil gel into the alcohol. The reason the alcohol has to be above 70 or higher is because there's nothing in this to kill bacteria. So if you're using rubbing alcohol, it dries out your fingers, hands, your cuticles. Men and women suffer from that because if you're doing it constantly, and then if you're washing your hands in the sink constantly. So if you want just alcohol, you don't shake your bottle up, which is really cool. You can just drizzle a little bit of just the alcohol without the oil, so you're not like, oh, my hands are kind of oily or slippery. And my puppy's trying to figure a way in here. So anyway, if you want a good mixture of the oil gel, you're going to shake it up really, really well. And then it's going to be mixed together nice. As a matter of fact, I could do it in this bottle to give you an example. Let me just add the alcohol. Yes! My little... trying to make it... So all I'm doing is literally pouring the alcohol. You can even see it right now that the gel is settled in there. For this whole thing, for it. Now I have a decent sized bottle of hand sanitizer. And it's 91% rubbing alcohol. So let's get this lid back on. And if you shake it really well, it mixes super nice. And then, so it's a lot runnier than your gels that you get hand sanitizer, but you don't need a lot. And you don't end up with like, it's not super greasy either, but it's, you can see there's a, I'm a painter, artist, whatever, but you can see the shine there. It's not oily. I mean, I can still snap my fingers, so it's not too oily, but I mean, it will settle. So, and well, on this one, see, when it settled, I would only get the oil. I wouldn't get the rubbing alcohol. So if I wanted the oil to settle here, I would actually have to turn it this way. You see the difference? I hope you do. That's why I was mixing them in this. So I was doing about 25% and the rest rubbing alcohol. And they're super handy. Don't leave it in the car. It's rubbing alcohol. It will expand and then ignite. So if it reaches over 100 degrees in your vehicle, which it can, and especially you Nevada or Texans, or there was a guy who had a thing where his door caught on fire in his vehicle because he put his hand sanitizer in the pouch of his thing. And I don't think I have a mask here, but guys and gals, girls and guys, I'm going to use this as a demonstration, but I don't wear bandanas. They don't work good enough as far as using a mask. When you have a mask on, the nose and mouth have to be covered. Not this. You have to cover your nose and mouth. And it's not like I'm saying you're sick, but you could be asymptomatic. One thing to know for sure is if you lose your sense of smell and taste is a sure sign that COVID is on its way. And that can happen like a week to 2 weeks before you even get like really sick. So keep that in mind if you're losing your sense of taste or smell. And it's like weird things. I'll be like, oh, it's alcohol. Yep, that's rubbing alcohol, and I can still got my sense of smell. I'll smell anything just to make sure I can still smell. It sounds so corny. Alright, guys. Thanks again for stopping by. I hope this DIY hand sanitizer helps you out. I know, dumb advice about the mask, but I want you guys to stay safe. Your grandchildren, your grandma, your grandpa, mom and dads, let's keep it safe. And now we're trying to put our kids back into school. I don't see it being a positive move. This is Silkyfeather signing off. Please do like, subscribe, and share this video. This DIY hand sanitizer. It's the safest hand sanitizer out there. And you can buy both of these in bulk easy now. Peace. I did find rubbing alcohol 2-pack 70% at Walmart for $3, I think, and 69 cents. Peace.